What's up, my dudes? Welcome to Blake's Garage, another totally tubular 2-minute tool time Tuesday. Today we are gonna talk about some stuff for gifts. Basically, I don't know, top 5 item things. It's probably not 5, it's actually probably a lot more. But we're gonna go over these items. They're gonna range from about $300 to, I don't know, like $4 or $5. So let's get into it and I'll show you what they are. Okay, starting at the top, product link in the description below as well, guys. This guy right here, an impact wrench, if you will. This is a 1/2 inch Milwaukee impact wrench, and I love this thing. It's 18 volts, it's the red lithium. You can get it with the 5 amp hour, with the 3 amp hour, whatever. Basically, the higher amp hour, the longer it's gonna last, but this thing's badass. It's got awesome nut busting torque. It's gonna bust some lug nuts off, some suspension components, whatever. This one's got the juice where you're not gonna have to break out that breaker bar, and it's gonna speed up your workflow and get stuff done. I mean, just wham, 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 you're done. I'll show you a couple more of those because every one of these is awesome as well. The 3/8 version in an M12. Now, not as high of capacity for busting off nuts. However, you can still break lug nuts loose with this little bad boy, and it's gonna work great. I like the little 3/8 version because, heck, it works with most of your sockets. Obviously, impact sockets recommended. However, this will get the job done and not shear stuff in half, which is nice. Now, if you're looking for a little bit of stubby action in your life, this guy right here, another one from Milwaukee Tool. This is the stubby 1/2 inch, breaks off lug nuts, gets into a little bit tighter spaces. As compared to this guy right here, as you can see. Yeah, it's a little bit smaller, M12 battery, works awesome. This one is kind of my go-to for like everything, and then when I need the big guns, I pull them out. Also, the ratcheting wrenches, 3/8, 1/2 inch, boom. These things make your life super awesome. I think these are like around $100 a piece for just the tool itself, which is an awesome deal. No more of that air ratchet stuff, no more hoses coming off. These are gonna get the job done in an engine compartment or whatever, speed up your workflow and be awesome. On to the cheaper items right here. If I got one of these from someone, I'd be pretty stoked. These are some cleaning products for your cars, guys. If you got some leather, I like this one. This is a chemical guys. Can't even talk. Leather protectant, or yeah, it's a serum. This stuff works good. I love the smell that it leaves. Kind of leaves that like fresh leather smell on your car. Wipe it on, wipe it off, works great. There are some more expensive, fancier products that you don't have to use as often, but this one works great for me and it's fairly inexpensive. Boom, get that. This guy right here, if you need to clean up any of your wheels, any of your black products on your car, you know, tire, rubber, interior dashboards and stuff like that, you can dilute this to a different level. But the Car Pros Pearl, that's where it's at, guys. If you're not using this on your wheels and stuff, the hell are you using? Probably some nasty shiny stuff. This works very, very well. You can dilute it, like I said, to make it last longer, and it's awesome. This stuff right here, which I'm all out of, which is called Chemical Guys, or actually, no, it's not. It's called Car Pros Reload. Sorry about that. I need to reload it because I'm obviously out and the thing's peeling off, but I need more of this. Reload. This stuff's amazing. It helps bead up all that water on your car. It leaves your car looking super awesome, just like shining, looking great. It's kind of got like a silica built into it. Yeah, silica spray sealant. Basically replaces waxing your car. This stuff is amazing. If you haven't heard about this stuff, Google it down below or look for another video on this stuff, but it's amazing. About 40 bucks for this, but definitely recommended. This stuff right here is another one, quick detailing spray. I like the EcoSmart Wash. This is the concentrate. Add a little bit of water. I bought this one with a buddy. We split the bottle basically, and I've had this for well over 2 years. I fill up a bottle, quick detail my car whenever I need to. Works amazing, and yeah, it's like an investment, but it's freaking rad because you buy those ones at the freaking hardware store and they're like 10 bucks. I know I'm way over 2 minutes, but who cares, guys? You buy those ones, you know, at Kragen or O'Reilly or whatever you got, and yeah, they're gone in like 3 washes. this, keep refilling, keep reloading, keep yourself good. Okay, this one, cheap one, but if you pick up a few of these, you're gonna be a lifesaver, because you're gonna give this to somebody at like, I don't know, White Elephant Party, get like 4 of them, right? They're probably, I don't know, $2 to $3. Brake parts cleaner, right? This stuff's awesome, because as car guys working on stuff, you need it, and what usually happens when you're using it, you usually run out, you gotta go to the part store, and all that stuff. So what I did is I bought myself a case, like no joke, a case of it, and it comes in super handy. I always have a bunch of it, and I got it at a discounted rate. I wanna say $2 a bottle. This stuff's rad, you can give it to your friends, whatever. Yeah, you clean stuff up, you get, you know, parts clean, brakes clean, whatever. That's the stuff, you can never have too much of it, and great little gift. All right, a little bit more on that detailing stuff. Now these are the Costco version of microfiber towels, but picking up a quick pack of microfiber towels, giving those away at a party to a friend or something like that that is into cars, that is great. These are not the best, however, these are kind of my like throwaway ones. The Rag Company, they make ones without a tag. With these, you're gonna wanna rip off the tag right away. That way it doesn't scratch up your paint or anything like that. However, these are pretty rad. I like having them. Throw them on my car, easy, simple, don't worry about them. Okay, we got a couple more, It's going long, but these are great items. Come on, guys. You know you want this stuff. If someone's down to spend, whoa, Domino's, a little bit more money on you, these ones are really nice. These are the Milwaukee ratcheting wrench set. You can get them in metric or standard. Love these things, super well built, super quality, but just a ratcheting wrench set in general. I'll link these ones down below, guys, but just because they've been a sponsor to the channel, which is, oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna drop them. They've been a sponsor to the channel this year, which is amazing, and they've hooked me up with some stuff, and maybe you can hook you guys up soon with some of those items as well, for like a giveaway or something. We'll see soon about that. 2 more items, just gonna throw them out there, whatever. Miller gloves, these little guys right here. These are the iron workers or the metal workers. Hang on. I got another fresh pair over here. Yeah, metalworking. They're just called the metal workers. In these particular ones, I wear a medium. In their welding gloves, I wear a large. I like them to fit really tight when it's like doing stuff that's precision. So these work great. They're a lambskin or whatever, super soft. If you're working on your car, they're kind of like mechanic gloves if you want to be, whatever. If you're cutting stuff up, doing some fab, this is where it's at. Now, if you're just working on your car and you don't want to get nasty, or you know someone, you have a boyfriend, a girlfriend, I don't know, somebody that works on cars and gets greasy and gets dirty, these guys right here. Now these are nitrile gloves or whatever they're called. However, these are the best ones I've ever used, and I have friends that can attest to this, other YouTubers that have come over. See those little diamond patterns right there? Super grippy. You do sweat in them, like always, but it's not super gross. They don't rip, so that's what's amazing. If you guys have ever used gloves like this on working on your car, I mean, I can do a pretty hardcore job, maybe rip 1 pair, and I mean, that's if I'm working on the car for like, I don't know, 6 hours or something. But you know, I can do one job, like say I'm doing the brakes, no, I'm not gonna rip them, whatever. But you know, if we're getting in there, maybe we'll snag 1 glove or something like that, but you can actually reuse these ones when you're working on a project, which is amazing. Yeah, GloveWorks HD. These guys right here, they come in multiple colors. I have more over here. Right here, I got like some black ones. The HD means heavy duty, so they're heavy duty gloves. They make a lighter version as well. Link down below. I guess this video's been like 10 minutes long, so anyways, sorry about that, guys, but I think these are some awesome products. Link down, or not link down below, well, yeah, I guess so. Link down below to all these products down there, but what I was gonna say is comment down below if you guys have an awesome product that you would like to get for Christmas or something like that. I welcome you to share this video with your family members or whoever if you want any of these items. I know for me, I mean, even if I got another, like if I get more gloves, yeah, dude. If I got if I got another wrench, I'd be like, yeah, I don't care. If I had 2 of them, you know, like, awesome, now I got one for my buddy, right? So I could never have too much of this stuff. I'm sure you guys feel the same way. Thanks for watching, guys. We will talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on! Hit subscribe if you do, please. Or something. Later.